All right, friends, I want to run an ad and I want you to see what I'm going to do with this ad. So I'm picking the video. Let's take it from here. So I pick the video. As usual, we go to the three lines here. Now I have already optimized this video, okay? If you're in my class, you understand what I'm talking about. Then we go to increase views, which is the promote button for TikTok ad. It brings us to where we'll set up the ad, okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to get sales. It's get sales go, right? I did a video where I explain about the cost, ad cost, okay? So find that video in this account, okay, in this page. So I've already added my landing page, which is okay. So what I will do next is to check other things like how many people do I want? Oh, okay. So let's set the cost. I want it to be maybe 2,500 naira per day. I just want a 2 days ad for now. So let's make it 2 days. So in duration, I put it to 2 days. Okay. That's giving me about 5,200 or something. I don't want it to cross 5,000. So let me reduce this project to 2,400. Let's see. Okay. Let's make it 2,350. Yeah, just know your ad budget. That's what matters, whatever you want. But for me, I don't want it to exceed. Yeah, it's okay by me in this way. So what else am I supposed to do? As usual, we'll have to preview our ad. Let's see how it appears. Okay. Okay. Contact us. All right. So let's close here. What else? Let's get to custom. And then I select this and save. What else? I think we're done at this point in time. Okay, so I'm going to make payment for this ad, right? So I'll click on pay. So this is the amount here, 4,945 naira. My card is already added, as you can see up there, right? That's primary card. So you can add another card here, but I don't want to add. So let's confirm. And I told you this is my gray virtual card. So confirm. I've already unfreezed it, right? So once I put my card details and confirm, it should go through. It should. It has never failed for once. It won't fail now. So I'm not saying it's God though, but I'm telling you, when you know a system that works, you can always tell what the result will be. Yeah, that's why we are professionals, right? That's it. So if you've not joined our TikTok ad mastery course, I don't know what you're waiting for. Or you're waiting for me to increase the price. Please go down and join before it's too late. Okay, don't waste your money before you go join the class, okay? And if you check the page, that's the page where you make the payment, you see some of the testimonials. There's no one person that's regretted. All right, but let's finish this or with this. Say thank you for your submission, okay? Okay, so it's under review, and with time they would notify me that the ad is approved, okay? There's another thing I wanted to do. Why this sales ad run? I want to see if I can set up another ad, which is, let's go here. That's even why I'm doing this video. Okay, this is supposed to be for my students alone, but let me give everybody the benefit of knowing. So I go to increase sales. So I want to be doing two things at the same time. One will be getting leads. One will be to announce the video, right? So what I will do is I'll go to boost account, right? And I'll put it on more video views. So while I'm getting more video views, I'm also getting sales. So the video is getting views, is also getting sales, right? And even from that view ad I'm doing, some people who need the ad training might as well want to get it. So I want to adjust the cost, default TikTok audience, yeah. I can as well set custom. Okay, I'm not supposed to. Yeah, I can do default TikTok audience because this is yeah, I can do that since it's getting views. It's not a serious one. Yeah, this is the only option where I wouldn't bother about to this thing. So this one, I want to reduce the price to as little as anything. Okay, maybe let's make it 1,000. I just help them their ministry, right? Let's just give them 1,000. Okay, so that's it. So it's almost about 1 naira per one person, because this 1,000 and you're getting to up to between 1,000 to 1,004. So it helps your video. Why it gets traction in terms of views, people are also engaging with it that will need to buy. Okay, so everything is in order now. So I'll go to make payment for this second ad. Okay, remember I said this is supposed to be a tip for my student, but I'm looking at you out there that you'll still be my student. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, I'm doing it perfect, right? The added on feed, which is 75 naira. Now, if you've not seen my video on where I talked about buying coin to run ad, go check it, because you are wasting your money. All right, confirm. Okay, so I'm still paying from my account. Don't even know how much I've paid. I will check they are giving me notification. Okay, the payment is gone through. Okay, so I'll go check to know how much they collected for all those ads. So it's also going to be in review. Hope you remember why I said I'm doing this second ad, as get more video views. Okay, so just so that the video will get to a wider audience, why I'm also promoting it for sales. Okay, so let me check my email notification from Gray, which is the account I use for payment. I'll go here, select all, so my Gray can pop up. All right, so you can see Gray. There are two emails in one. Then let me zoom in. Can you see Gray too? So two emails. So when I open it, I'll be able to see the two transactions we just did. Transaction was successful. Can you see TikTok promotion? Can you see this one took $3.23. That was the one that we spent 4,000 something, right? Now this one we spent 1,000. Where is it? Is 0.70 cents. Okay, so that's the second one. Can you see it here? TikTok promotion still. Okay, so that's it. All right, so like I said, if you've not joined the TikTok ad mastery training, this is your best opportunity to do so. Okay, just go ahead and join the training right away. We are giving, I think it's about 30 or 35% discount at the moment. Okay, and I can assure you there's no regret. You will learn. Meanwhile, I'm giving updates. At the moment, it's on monthly basis, right? Of course, this one I'm doing now is supposed to be an update, just that I'm sharing it with everyone. Okay, but I did a June update, okay, which lasted for about an hour, right? And if you are my student, you don't need to pay for updates. So that's one payment covers for all updates you'll be getting from me. Okay, so that's it. So if you're here to join, do kindly do so. Do subscribe to this channel if you're on YouTube. Do follow if you're on TikTok, and I'll see you in the next video.